Choo-choo train is here to play. Let's learn transport A to Z today. A for aeroplane, flying high. B for bus, driving by. C for car, fast and bright. D for drone, flying in the sky. E for engine, strong and loud. F for fire truck, helping the crowd. G for garbage truck, big and green. H for helicopter, flying scene. I for ice cream truck, sweet and fun. J for jeep, ready to run. K for kayak, floating away. L for lorry, working all day. M for motorcycle, zoom, zoom fast. N for navy ship, built to last. O for off-road vehicle, big and strong. P for police car, driving along. Q for quad bike with 4 wheels. R for rocket, space appeal. S for scooter, 2-wheel ride. T for tractor, countryside. U for you, a sign, go balancing show. V for van, ready to go. W for wagon, rolling free. X for x-ray truck, helping me. Y for yacht, sailing near. Z for Zeppelin, flying clear.